Oh, good morning, everybody. So my current project is putting that differential in that truck. And I gotta go get a special socket. It's like a 12 millimeter male Allen. And I don't have one of those. So we're gonna take a break and start looking at stuff for this. Because this showed up. So what we have here is painless wiring harness. Part number 10102. It's 21 circuit key in dash. You open the box, you get this. Go ahead and pause if you want to read that. Same thing with that. Go ahead and pause if you want to read that. They send you with a sample of two different braids. You got classic braid on this side, and you got power braid on this side. Go ahead and pause that if you want to read it. Give you a box of connectors and fuses, which is really nice. They give you your charging wire for your alternator. That's what that is. And you have all of your alternator connections. You have, let's see here, you got zip ties and headlights, a turn signal relay, lots of zip ties. What else we got in here? Got a random loose relay. We got some new Painless stickers. Got a mount if you don't have a place to mount it. Got some dielectric grease. Looks like one bolt so far. Don't see the other one. And they give you this fantastic book. And they give you this big old honking thing. This gets undone and bolted into the factory location. And then you just run your wires off of it. Looks like that's where your relay goes. And then it'll have turn signals somewhere. So that's what we got going on here. And this book is the reason why it's painless. So this book, this is not my first one, so I already know what's in here. This book walks you through every single thing so that you can take it easy and make it easy on yourself. So I'm going to get that unbound and into the car, and we'll see how it looks. And with it rolled out and undone, you end up with a passenger seat full of wires, which is fine. This is going to get mounted with that hole to that hole, and then this hole down here to that hole. So that's how it'll mount, and it'll sit in here. And then whatever wires need to run to the engine bay, which is most of them, will run through that hole behind it. And then everything else will go across the dash. I will let you know how it goes. Catch y'all. Alright, so this is your fuse box, where it mounts. The wiring harness goes over, and your engine bay wiring harness goes out. This wiring harness for the interior and the taillights goes up and over the steering column, gets collected, dumped into the passenger seat, where I will deal with it later. Now here, you're left with this monstrosity that goes across the engine bay, something like that. Except for the fact that now it literally does a full 360 around the engine bay, enough to come back and touch itself. So it's definitely going to need to be shortened, But that's where I'm getting to today. I will catch you guys tomorrow or some other time. Have a good night and God bless.